पाव भाजी भी अच्छा है, यहाँ का पानी पूरी भी बहुत अच्छा चलता है, बड़ा पाव भी अच्छा है, चाट के अंदर स्पेशल है, सब बढ़िया है।
पाव भाजी.
पाव भाजी
Just one pav bhaji.
इधर खाने का सर?
Yes, have it here.
या ओके, वन पाव भाजी.
So this is your restaurant?
या
Same? What do you sell here?
रेगुलर
Baklava. Cake, pastries and sweets. What is famous there?
फेमस केक,
What cake?
चॉकलेट. एक्चुअली आई डोंट नो. शेफ ये यूट्यूब में अपलोड कर रहे हैं, क्या-क्या मिलता है इसकी थोड़ा बता दो. हेलो,
Hello brother, assalamu alaikum. What's your name?
माय नेम इज शावान.
Sawan Muhammad.
यस,
What's your name? Huh?
वन
Banki Ben, yes?
चंद्रशेखर.
Chandrasekhar. Nice. What is good there?
Good there is chocolate truffle and chocolate sweet.
The best. What is the best? What do you like here?
Best is chocolate sweet magic is cake.
How much is that?
Very best.
How much?
1 kg 95.
No, I can't eat 1 kg. One slice, small
One
piece.
slice 9 dirham.
Can
Only 9 dirham. Yes.
Can I come and see now?
Yes, yes. Come on. Come on, sir.
Come, let's go and let's check the cake. You guys are doing a
Working, yes.
renovation. It's okay. It's okay. We'll see the cake.
See the here first here is this sweet.
What's this?
This sweet is kaju. Kaju gulkan. And the gajar halwa is the best.
You guys are doing a renovation, huh? Fixing the place.
Yes. And these are here cake and pastry is available. And dessert also here.
Can I try your best one? What you told me? Chocolate, right?
Chocolate, yes. The chocolate truffle is best. Yeah.
Chocolate truffle.
Truffle, yes.
Can you give me one slice? What's your favorite cake? No, your favorite.
My favorite.
This is cheesecake, right? This is cheese?
The mango and strawberry cake.
Oh.
My favorite is this one, chocolate ecstasy.
Where is your cheesecake? You have cheesecake?
Cheesecake, the Nutella cheesecake.
Nutella cheese.
Yes. And also here. And this is blueberry cheesecake and the strawberry cheesecake, the hard one.
Oh. I hope your chocolate is good.
Yes, chocolate is good. Famous.
Famous.
Running, yes.
Thank you, brother. What's on top?
Chocolate truffle. On top of the garnish. Just garnish.
Garnish.
Beside, yes.
Can I try?
Yes, sir.
Can I try? Sure.
Sure.
It's good?
Yes.
It's hard, huh? This is hard.
Actually, the pastry, the truffle, chocolate truffle, na. So that's because inside the fridge. So
How much is it?
10 dirham. Yeah. Nine dirham are the different. Sweet magic.
Tastes good, huh?
Tastes good. The dark chocolate, no.
What do you put here? Dark chocolate.
Inside dark chocolate ganache, and chocolate sponge.
It's really good for 10 dirham.
Yes.
You make it?
Yes.
I'll take it outside.
Yeah, sure.
So,
Food is ready.
food is ready?
Yes.
You want to try?
No.
Have a try.
No,
Try and see. Give me a spoon.
Yeah. Spoon is there.
Come, let's try. Let's try. Bye. Come and try. Come.
Actually not allowed.
Well, how do you eat this? How to eat this? You need to put this inside.
No.
Then?
Little break and this.
Just break it.
Yes.
This is made from butter.
Butter.
Oh, and this is meat,
Mixed vegetable.
mixed vegetable,
Yes.
spicy. Yeah.
Medium spicy. Yes. Okay. Good.
Mm. You just dip it and eat it like this.
Yes.
Not put inside. Then vada pav is like burger, no? Guys, this tastes so good. This is just made from just butter. Butter. I haven't had a pav bhaji, so they asked me to just dip it in this special sauce. Also, they got a cake shop, so I tried their cake, chocolate truffle. That's so amazing, guys. And it's too much food already. All right. Wow, man! Wow. I just can taste. I just can taste the butter. It's just so much butter. This pav bhaji and this mixed vegetable masala is so good. It's not like a soup. It's just so thick. Look at that. So thick, you know. Guys, I'm just gonna keep this chocolate aside because it's so good. Because I can't have all the food at the same time, right? I got the pav bhaji, right? I don't know. They have some lime and some onion chopped. I don't know whether I'm supposed to squeeze it. Let me squeeze it anyway. And this sprinkle some of those onions. Let me try it now. Wow, man, that pav bhaji with this lime is so good, guys. With the lime, with a squeeze of lime and that shredded, chopped onions, this pav bhaji tastes really good. It's just creating that citric, some acidic flavor with that masala. I mean, it's heavenly, guys. It's really, really, really good, amazing.